Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A5 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, to do power off, press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. Now here select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. Here tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code, which is a 6036. Enter it, 6036, and you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format, and you can see wiping, please wait, and you can see data formatted. As you can see on bottom, data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A5 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.